Alright, in my video today I want to talk about new feature in OpenBOM CAD integrations called One Click. At OpenBOM we try to create a process of bill of material creation as simple as possible, and our CAD integrations are making it really easy, but today we are making the next step. So OpenBOM CAD integrations, and I will demonstrate you CAD integrations with Solidworks, creates a new feature, One Click, that allows you to create bill of materials with a single click using predefined settings. And a new setting that we introduced called default catalog. So you don't need to deal with catalog creation, bill of material creation, combining it together. OpenBOM is flexible, you can still do it, but take a look how it will work now. So everything that I need is to put my credentials in the settings, and I will be able to start creating bill of materials and default catalogs as SolidWorks items. So you don't need to know about this, but just in case. So I click on the bill of materials creation, get a notification that bill of materials will be created with a catalog, and we generate bill of materials. So look, what happens is that OpenBOM is creating bill of materials, capturing item information, save it in a catalog, everything done in a single click. And we open this bill of materials and OpenBOM in the browser, and you see that information is stored. We're getting bill of materials generated. It shows on the screen, so you get bill of materials with all items and all information that you need. So there's an interesting thing that happened now in the process of this creation, that if we will take a look on the item info panel, you will see that items are actually created in the SolidWorks items catalog. So now let me make a next step. So to make a next step, and I will open another assembly in my SolidWorks. So let's take me one of the recent assemblies, and let's take me this printer. All right. So I'm opening this printer in SolidWorks. Let's say I have another project. So I have another project now. I would like to create bill of materials for this project, but remember, in the past the creation of catalogs was really complex and requires some time, how to extract data to catalog, how to organize catalogs. So now that's already solved problem. So what happens now is that if I open this assembly and I click on the bill of materials creation process, so watch what happens is that OpenBOM create bill of materials and store items in default catalog. So as beautiful as that is that all data about items is accumulated in the single catalog. Now you can customize it, and you will see what happens after this one. And I will take another assembly and will create another bill of materials. So what happens now, it's another process. So as you can see, we can talk, I can explain you how it works, but technically we don't need to do anything, and all information is stored. It just requires you to make a single click, and watch what will happen when this bill of materials will be created. So we created bill of materials. We can open this. Bill of material is created. The information is displayed. Everything is happening in the way it was predefined. Now if I look at the item info, so I will see that information is actually stored in the SolidWorks items catalog. So the power of this method is that this catalog now combines parts from two assemblies that I created, and that's what makes it powerful, because now you can just collect all information, all items, all SolidWorks items in this catalog. So in my next video I will show you how you can change this catalog and how you can actually make a flexible usage of catalogs. But for the moment, here is the most important message. The one click is everything that requires you to do after you install SolidWorks add-in. You can put your credential and you can start creating bill of materials, and the information is collected in OpenBOM, and the catalog is organized and connected to bill of materials. Everything is under control, and of course all features of OpenBOM are available. You can click on the very use. You can see all features of OpenBOM as you usually can use. So that was all with OpenBOM new feature for CAD integrations, one click, and I will talk to you very soon. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Bye bye.